What's up guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you 2 ways you can make money with YouTube without ever showing your face. We're starting right now. Alright guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com. So we're going to jump right into this video. And again, we're going to be discussing how you can actually start generating income with YouTube by creating videos, but not actually showing your face. So I'm going to jump right into this video. And the first way that you can actually do that is by doing screen recording videos, kind of like what I'm doing right now where I'm recording my screen. Obviously you can actually see my face, but I don't have to have that option actually selected. I could just have it just recording my screen and you wouldn't see my face at all. So I use this program here called Camtasia. This is, you can get a 30-day free trial, but it is a paid screen recorder. I do have another option for you if you want to go with a total free option, which is called Screen-O-Matic. You can go to screencast-o-matic.com. And this option will give you the option to do a free screen recording. So if you can record your screen, you can actually create videos, right? So you could be doing video tutorials where you're actually doing something on camera, showing somebody how to do something. It could be like how to install a WordPress site, or how to start getting followers on Twitter, or how to do XYZ in your market. And then you can recommend products and services behind your video that will enhance that process or help them get to that desired result closer. So you can actually just be showing them like a tutorial or doing something on screen, showing them like how to do something, then pushing them to your product or an affiliate product that you can actually generate some income from. The other thing that you can do by recording your screen is actually just doing what I call these little PowerPoint presentations. So I do a lot of these too, where, you know, I'll create PowerPoint presentations and then you can actually just create different PowerPoints and you can actually walk through whatever the information you want to talk about in your PowerPoint presentation. So you could be, you know, giving some value up front, you know, teaching your prospects and your viewers something, giving them some good value, and then you pitch them a product at the end, or you just refer them to click on your link in the description so that, you know, you can generate some sales. And again, guys, you don't have to show your face in any of these videos and it's still very effective. So the second option that you have in order to, you know, make money by creating videos but not showing your face is to just create some animated videos that I actually did a video about this. I want to say it was last week. And basically I've been using this program called VideoMakerFx. So it's a cool little video software that allows, you know, anybody to just basically create videos on the fly, and they're professionally done. They have great like slide presentations, animations, and all sorts of things that you can do and you can create in this little VideoMakerFx. So let me just kind of give you guys an example of what it can do. So if I wanted to do like just an animated video, I could go to a character and then I could show like a person talking. You know, they have different type people. You can adjust like any of this stuff, like the wording, the writing, backgrounds, colors, all this stuff can be adjusted or optimized or changed to however you like it, right? So I can even go to like a whiteboard video. I hope you guys can actually see this. But I can go to a whiteboard video and I could be doing, you know, like these cool little animations, these drawings, and you just put your slides together. They have like hundreds and hundreds of different slides that you can put together, and you can just add your slides up. You can change the wordings again, and you can create cool little animated videos, whether it's whiteboards, whether it's, you know, doing the characters, whether it's doing like a product presentation. They have tons of these stuff that you can do, which are just super cool, and everything's all kind of laid out for you, and all you have to do is just plug in your information. So again, this is another way that you could actually create videos. You could add your own voice. You could have somebody else, you know, speak over the video. You could add music. Just tons of options here. And if you guys want to get this VideoMakerFx, I'll have a link in the description for this particular product. It's $37, but well worth it because you can just create unlimited videos with this software. So if you guys want to see that video that I actually made, a quick video presentation, I'll have that link in the description of this video. So I'll show you how I actually went through and created a little video. I think it was in like 5 minutes, a little PowerPoint slide presentation. You can kind of see more in depth on how to work this software. So again, like not showing your face. I know a lot of people are shy on camera and they don't want to show their face for whatever reason. So that's not a reason to not do video. So you could do the screen recording videos. You could use a software like VideoMakerFx. Just because video is so powerful, guys. It's so powerful and it's so important. And you need it in your online marketing business because it's just going to help you convert. It's going to help you reach people. It's going to help you build relationships with people over the internet. And it's going to help you ultimately drive more sales and money in your pocket when you're utilizing video. So I'm imploring all you guys to go out and either do a screen recording, do the PowerPoint presentations, use this VideoMakerFx, and start creating videos and making money with YouTube. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I also have a couple resources in the description in terms of on the similar topic of making money with YouTube without subscribers or just making money without even creating videos yourself. I have a video that you guys can check out. So make sure you check those videos in the description, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace, guys.